Want to update your Instagram password? No worries, I've got you covered. In just a few simple steps, you'll have a brand new password locked in. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button below. It really helps out. All right, let's get started. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, the steps are exactly the same. Next, tap the three lines at the top right corner to access your settings. From there, select Account Center, it's right at the top. Now scroll down to Password and Security and tap it. You'll see the Change Password option right at the top. Tap on it, choose Instagram, and enter your current password. If you have autofill enabled, this step is a breeze. Now, create a new password. Just make sure it's at least 6 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you're set, hit Change Password to finalize it. One last thing, changing your password logs you out of all other devices. You can either leave this checked or uncheck it based on your preference. And that's it. If this was helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.